going, guys? I know I haven't posted in a while. I know I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be posting more videos regarding framing guns and compressors and other tools. I'm gonna try to keep you guys posted in my next videos. I did get everybody's comments. I saw them. I've been trying to reply to everybody. If I haven't, I'm working on it still. I just want to let you guys know I am in Nashville, Tennessee. So if you guys are having problems or you guys want me to work on your tools or something, we can you can find me on Google. Even my company name is IFS, Instant Fastening Solutions, and maybe we can get in contact or something. Also, guys, if you guys have specific tools you guys would like me to work on and I don't have videos on it yet, go ahead and leave your comments below and I will try to get those videos going for you and have more descriptions about them and how to fix them. Alrighty, guys, have a good day.